What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back guys. So today I just want to do a quick review on the Mercedes GLC 63S. So this is not the 43 guys, which is less powerful. It is the top of the range 63S model, and I'm gonna start with the price guys. The price, okay, let me just show you guys. That's the price of this car. It has about 9,900 kilometers, so it's a 2020 GLC. And you compare this car to something like a BMW X3 and Audi Q3. We're gonna start with the exterior, guys. As you can see, it does look sportier than the Mercedes GLC 43. So I just want to show you guys something. So you see here, there's rail vents, so that's for the intercooler. But on this side, there's no vents right there. So I think there is no intercooler right there. And we don't have a front splitter. But yeah, basically guys, this car does look mean. I'm a fan of this, the vertical AMG grille. It's inspired by the Mercedes GT racing car, and you get your whole nice so let me see what the headlights this is. So it's LED intelligent light system. Okay, so guys, so it has the same engine as the Mercedes C63 right there. So power wise, this is a 4-liter V8 Biturbo 4MATIC. So that 4MATIC represents the fact that this car is 4-wheel drive, and it has about 375 kilowatts and 700 Newton meters of torque. So to put this into perspective, this car has more power than, or more torque than the Ferrari 458 Italia. So it's quite powerful guys, quite torquey. So the wheels guys, so it has 20-inch rims. So you can opt for the 21 inches, but this specific car has 20-inch rims and big brake calipers as well. So red guys is the color for AMG. It is an SUV guys. So I see is only one exhaust here inside, and a real diffuser guys, as you can see, because these caps right there, so the wind, that's for the wind, and obviously your parking sensors as well. Only one exhaust guys. I thought it was full, but it's only one. It's actually two exhausts. So you got your AMG badging right there, and your GLC 63S, and a nice boot spoiler as well. Nice boot spoiler. chrome handles right there, and that's like a fingerprint sensor, so you don't need to unlock your car with your key. You can just use your finger, and you can indicate the lights right there as well. So guys, on a full tank this car will get you about 617 kilometers on a full tank. So I think if you buy this car, you're not really concerned about the fuel consumption. But yeah guys, that's the exterior. So guys, let's move to the inside and see what's what. So basically guys, this car is 1.6 million, so you won't expect to get cheap things inside. So soft touch materials right here, leather, obviously your front and rear electric windows, electric seats as well, AMG badging right there with your bucket seats. So that's like an emblem from Germany, from Mercedes, and that's specifically in the AMG cars. So you got your start stop button right there. It says 320 kilometers, but this car clocks out on 280 kilometers, guys. So this is a 9-speed automatic gearbox and a 10-inch display right there, if I'm not mistaken, guys. And yeah, so your all important red seat belts and a panoramic roof as well. So let me go to the rear. Alright. So this is the same concept that you get in the front as well. Soft touch materials and so forth. I'm not gonna open the boot, but this specific car has 550 liters of boot space. That does look like a little face, but yeah, 550 liters compared to its rivals like the BMW X3, which has about the same 550 liters, and it is bigger than the Audi Q3, the boot. Audi Q3, I think that's about 420 liters, if I'm not mistaken. But definitely, guys, this car is the bang for your buck. The room is quite damaged. But yeah, guys, that's my review for this car. Thanks for watching. If you're new, please subscribe, guys, and please like the video for the algorithm. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.